channel, and I hope everything is going great with you all. As you know, Diwali is around the corner, so I decided to do a little different for this Diwali. The look I'm gonna show you today is inspired from Euphoria. So I just thought that Diwali is full of lightings and glitters, then why not to add a little bit of rhinestone to the look. So that's why here the look I'm gonna show is a little bit different, but I hope this would definitely inspire you all to create such kind of look for this Diwali, and let's hope for the best, and let's get started. So yeah, I have applied the concealer all over my eyelid to make them eyeshadow ready, and I'm just blending it with my fluffy brush. I just forgot to take my beauty blender. To set the concealer, here I am using my REMEL Matte powder. Here I am using my L'Oreal's black gel eyeliner, and I will just applying it in my outer corner, and here I am just drawing the shape in which I want, and it's quite difficult to start off with such a dark eyeshadow. Also dragging it in my lower lash line. Just be careful while playing with such black eyeshadow or eyeliner, because it becomes very difficult to rectify it if it gets messed up. So be patient and make your moves slower. For my eyelids, I'm gonna use the pigment, and it's a random pigment. I bought it and it's in the shade silver, and to apply it I'm using my glitter glue from NYX all over my eyelid. Here I'm using the black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild to blend the edges. Now on top of my black gel liner that we have applied in the outer corner of the eyes, here goes the showstopper, that is the rhinestone, and I am very excited to use the rhinestone on my eyes. So let's get into it. Let me just put them out. So these are the rhinestones I'm gonna use. This is it, it's small one, and I'm gonna use the lash glue. I'm just gonna apply a single coat of mascara, and I will be applying falsies. And the falsies I'm using is from Pro Art 003, and I just love this falsie. Gives so natural look, and I just love it. So this is how it looks. I just find it so interesting. So let me just finish my second eye, and then we will be doing our base makeup. So as you can see, I am done with both my eyes, and now let's get back to the base makeup. I've already applied my moisturizer, so I'm straightly moving to the primer. Here comes my baby. No baby. For foundation, I'm using my Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 120. As it got over, so I just mixed few drops of Chamber Orosa Skin Fusion foundation into it, and it's in the shade Ivory Fair. I'm applying it with my Wet Beauty blender in dabbing motion. For concealer, I am using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer in the shade Fair 110, and I am applying it in my usual places like under my eye area, chin, cupid's bow, nose, and little bit on my forehead, and start blending it directly with the help of my Wet Beauty blender. set the concealer, again I am using my REMEL Steamed powder just at the places where we have applied the concealer. For contouring, I am using my Wet n Wild Duo palette and I am using the darker shade to bronze my face. For blush, I am using the palette Lemonade Grace and I'm gonna use Ice Pop shade on the apples of my cheek. For the lips, I'm gonna use the Revlon matte liquid lipstick in the shade Flirtation. But before that, I will be applying the lip liner of the same color so that my lipstick stays long. Now with the help of smudging brush, I'm just gonna smudge my lower lash line with black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, just a little bit to make the lower lash line and upper eyelid similar. And now apply the same mascara in my lower lash line. So this is the final look for the Diwali inspired by Euphoria makeup, and it's just so classy, so elegant. It's kind of Western Diwali look. I just love the look it turned out to be. If you like the look, if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And one more thing, you can also follow me on my TikTok account, so the link for that I will also be giving in the description box below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.